Okay, hi, this is Stas from Yellow. I am at Crypto Expo Milan today, and today with me is Gianluca, the Chief International Officer at MyNeo Group. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How's your day going today? How do you like the event?
Well, we're quite busy, and today it's the third day, actually 2.5, because on Thursday was just the afternoon, and there is a lot of people and great content in the conference room. And just had my speech about Neo Circle and about actually what is happening in this democratization of DeFi.
Okay, nice. And how did you find the audience at the event today?
Well, actually, I spoke with many people in these last 2 days, and I see many enthusiasts, and but many people that are trying to actually turn their passion into a profession. And so a lot of competent people and a lot of very, as I say, cool questions and a great project actually on the table to discuss of.
Okay, nice. So, what about your experience before joining MyNeo Group? What is your background, and maybe you can tell us how you got into crypto?
Yeah. It was a long journey because I've been a small medium entrepreneur for many years, almost 20 years, 15, actually 16. And then I actually start building networks. And through that, the necessity of actually digitalize many areas of the business actually, put me closer to this, let's say, borderline way of talking about digitalization. I'm talking about 4 or 5 years ago, because DeFi was like something nobody knew, or like it was like a very little percentage of the population. It's still a little percentage, but that was almost nobody. And through that, I actually study in depth this area, this business, and and then things brings things, and I end up getting involved in projects, and then last year in Neo Circle to develop this, let's say, very particular ecosystem who wants to actually bring to the market the first super app of the Western world.
Okay, yeah, so let's talk about it. Let's talk, I know there are many products that you're working on inside the MyNeo Group, so walk us through them, please.
Basically, MyNeo Group, it's a fintech company who actually creates the infrastructure for many other platforms in the fintech area and in the finance area. And through this experience, we actually build up our knowledge and our know-how, and we decided to actually get into the market with a retail product for the end user and the small medium enterprise, because we are at the verge of a huge transition. Probably in the next 5 years, we're talking about 2 or 3 billion people will download a wallet. And the first reason is for NFTs. So we cannot miss this huge market as operators. We've been B2B operators until a few months ago, but in the last 2.5 years, we built this platform, which is actually the first super app for super applications. I mean, one app with like 35 apps of daily use inside, with one KYC and one login, and a way of actually creating an inclusive community where you can become a builder of our community, and you can actually build your own, sharing our profits and revenue and many other stuff that I'm not going to tell you in a brief interview.
Yeah, sure. And if you would choose one unique feature that is very unique about Neo Circle, what would you choose?
Absolutely, our Be Your Own Banker program, because we have a banking license. So we build bank infrastructure for digital banks. We have built our own. It's called Bancaneo. And Bancaneo is the pillar on which we build all the DeFi platform, because if you want to actually lead small, medium entrepreneurs into the DeFi world, you need to give them a digital banking services. And through that, in one platform, all connected with the DeFi wallet and the trading platform and the mining platform and crypto loans and blah, 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 you actually create a complete ecosystem where you can become your own banker. I mean, sharing every every fee that is paid by our customers in a percentage, of course, and part of the profits and blah 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 through our Neo Circle token, Neo Credit token, which is actually the token who actually allowed us to actually connect all our apps and run Neo Circle with more benefits and commissions and blah blah blah.
So, Gianluca, what about your current stage of development? How far are you, and what are your next steps for this year?
Okay, so after 2.5 years of development, in the backstage, we actually are in the pre-launch phase since April 1st, and this pre-launch phase will end on September 30th. And from then on, we will be, of course, launching Neo X, our super app. And then every 30 days in Neo app, you will find a new application, starting from the bank, the decentralized wallets, trading platform, and all the platform that I told you, up to something like 35, 40 apps by, let's say, January, March 2024. And the idea is actually to create a complete ecosystem, as I said, that will give you all the best practice that right now in the fintech markets you find on something like 100 different platforms, all on your smartphone. Then you will have just one, so a very simple use, easy login, one KYC, you save a lot of money, a lot of time, and you have many more benefits just doing whatever you're doing right now on many other platforms in one. And you can be, as I said, through our Be Your Own Banker program, you're the protagonist, basically, of everything.
So, Gianluca, if I want to join my Neo Circle right now, what can I do? How can I join?
You go on myneocircle.com and then you register. You will receive an email to access your dashboard, and then we will contact you for more information and go in depth in becoming a member.
Okay, great. And last but not least, we are today, I would say, we can say that we are in the bear market for sure. What do you think about the market, and how do you feel about launching your project in this kind of a market?
Well, the market is not a problem because it's ups and down in every aspect of life, from real life to digital. It's a normal thing. And we're talking about a specific industry that is only 13 years old. Bitcoin is the predecessor of everything. And of course, it's like a teen. Right now, the DeFi world, it's in the teen area of its age. And so, of course, it's not stable. Of course, it needs to be improved. It needs time to grow and to actually be part of our life as a solution to democratize your finance on a way, and also the trust authority from mankind to actually a machine, because the blockchain, it's an algorithm. So we are trying actually to put ourselves on a side because we are not trustworthy. We as human beings cannot trust each other. And the problem with the humans in the middle is that 90% they look at their benefits. So now technology will actually go beyond that and help us to, give more value, have more value, and actually feeling safe.
Okay, thank you very much, Gianluca. It was a pleasure speaking to you. Have a great time here.
Same for me. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.